Let us take decree number 8. We come before the altar of the Lord God this day to celebrate his light, to pour forth gratitude of such fervor and intensity as will reach the great central sun, for the presence of Ratnasambhava and all the great beings of light. Therefore we call forth light, and as soon as we call it forth and we receive it, we send it to God in gratitude. Gratitude is a very important action. Goddess of Liberty says, immigration means I am gratitude in action. Therefore, I am immigrating. I come to the promised land. I come to the door of the temple of the sun. I come to Atlantis revisited. And because I am God gratitude in action, I may come and be born or be naturalized on this land consecrated to the realization of the I am light. Together. I am light within, without. Expand, expand, and forever expand. Field of consciousness within, without. Absorb God's light and then command. Light of God to forever expand. Fill the world, the land, the air, the sea and sky and everywhere with awareness, for I am there, sharing God in joyous prayer. Beyond the earth and outer space, expand the power of cosmic grace. Our God is there and everywhere, and where I am, O thou art too, to increase awareness of thy truth and show me in my I am I, the holy beauty of the sky. I see thy light of diamond hue, sparkling, shining through and through the pores of self in body large, the macrocosmic universe. I am with thee, O God, I see the light expand as past to thee. The power flows, my being glows, and Christ within without me shows. I am the way to peace and power, thy spirit makes me one this hour. O God, demand and now command thy presence in our holy band of devotees of heaven's grace. Show me, command me to take my place. In freedom's band I'll ever stand, by victory's power I wake this hour, to feel that flow of power. Blaze right through me, light of God, spiral nebulae, sons of light. Blaze right through me, truth of God, fill my mind with great delight. I am thy grace, manifest here, thy perfect love is shining clear. Command thy selfhood to be mine, expand, expand in heaven's name. Command my soul to be thy flame, expand, expand, O love divine. I am God, gratitude in action. 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 I am God, gratitude in action.